Once you guys got another video on how to install multiple apps with one click. Now, if you're sick and tired of going on the internet and looking for applications to download one at a time, then I'm going to show you how you can do this with a package manager and download all your favorite apps and use a batch file to install them. So if you're going to websites like this to download one file and then installing it one at a time, you can use a package manager like this. All you need to do is select some of the applications that you want to install. For instance, we'll go ahead and click on a bunch of different apps. You can see they're being selected down the bottom there. It says 2 apps so far. And if we click on this one, it will give us a selection there as well. And you can go through and choose which apps you want to install. For instance, you can choose a browser and you can view packs, or you can download singular programs as well. But we're going to go for a bunch of different apps like OBS Studio, VLC, and you can see LibreOffice here. Evernote. There's tons of applications that you can select, and it will basically put them into a list where you can then create a package, or you can generate a script for it to go off and download these and install them onto your computer. So we've got 7 apps so far, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on a couple of these here. So with .NET Core Runtime, and you can see we can select the framework as well. And once you're happy with your selection, I'm not going to go too crazy. I'm just going to show you how this works. And there's tons of apps on here to choose from, all your normal regular apps that you would choose to install on your computer. Let's go ahead and select this one right here, maybe Angry IP Scanner. We can add that to the list as well. That's now done. So what we're going to do is we'll call that done, and we can go to now create a package. You will need to be signed in to create a package, but you can generate a script for free. But if you want to create a package, just go up here and click on login, and you can set up an account, and then you'll be able to download this package. But I'm going to go ahead and do the script way. So let's go back, and we're going to go down to generate a script here. Click on this one, and you can see there is a list right there. So we're going to click on the download.bat, which is a batch file. And you can click on this, and it will say, do you want to keep this file? I'm going to keep it. And this is just a security measure from your browser. We're going to click on the 3 dots here, and it will say keep. So I'm going to keep this, show more, keep anyway, and then we can download it. The reason why it's doing that is to protect you, to make sure you're not downloading any malicious files. And this is obviously a batch file that's been created by this website, which is safe to use. And I'll show you in a second that all it is a list of applications that we can use to download from the internet here. So let me go ahead and just drag the file onto my desktop here, and I'll open it up so you can see it before I run it. Let me just quickly open this up and just click on edit, and you'll see it's just a simple list of files, which is going to go off and use winget to get those files for us and then install them onto my computer. So let's go ahead and right click on this one here and run this as administrator. Say yes to the user account control, and off it goes. It's going to now start downloading some of these files off the internet, and then it will start to install them. It's going to say, do you agree to all of the source agreements terms? So we're going to say yes, and it will go off, and there you go. It's starting to download the Notepad++, and it will go ahead and install it. And it's going to move on to the next one, Zoom, and so on and so on. It's going to go off and download every one that we had in our list here and install them onto my computer. How simple is that? It's a super easy way of getting all your favorite apps in one go without going onto the internet and downloading them. This is doing it all for us, and it will do the installation as well, as you can see here. And you may have to intervene sometimes just to click next or install, but it's automatically doing this one here, and it's done. That one's done there, and we're moving on to the next one. So you can see we're getting the Windows installer opening up here for Google Chrome. And there we are. That's now configuring Google Chrome and putting that onto my PC. And that is it. That's basically how you can go ahead and download all your favorite apps using this application. Super easy to do. And you can save this and put it on your USB flash drive and take it to another computer and install it on there as well. So if you're doing this across multiple different computers, you can have all the same software on each of those computers by right-clicking on it and running it as administrator. And that's it. And there we are with all our apps installed. And once you finish, you can delete the file if you wish and create another list if you wish. Anyway, I think that's going to be about it for this one. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Hope you found this video useful. Just want to say a quick shout out to all my YouTube members. Whether you're tier 1, tier 2 or tier 3, I really do appreciate the support. And I shall catch you in the very next video, or I'll see you on the Discord server for a chat. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.